my mindset and my focus is on Scotland at this moment, and to be playing on a home soil in front of families and friends, firstly against Scotland representing the country, is a huge honour and a privilege, and it's something that I do not take lightly. I think all of the boys are not focused on any revenge at the moment, as we're just trying to build on what we've on the platform that we've set against Wallabies. We want to continue that. Set piece-wise, breakdowns, those are two of the areas that we are looking to improve coming this game. I think it was a good positive, the game against Wallabies, because we didn't get any cards or anything, which is rare for Fiji rugby. And in saying that, we're really confident that we're on the right track. Come out in numbers, support the boys. As much as you guys want to see the boys live in action, the boys also want to see the fans come out in numbers. We've been playing in large crowds, but there's nothing like playing on home soil. So please, come down with your Fiji flag, because I promise you that it's going to be one epic game, and we'll put out a performance that we can all be proud of as Fijians.